Blender Workspaces can be completely personalized. You can make all kinds of changes to your workspaces, and those changes are saved with a file. When you open someone else's files with personalized workspaces, Blender, by default, will load those workspaces. Personally, I prefer to work in Blender using my own workspaces. Next, let's see how we can stop loading custom workspaces, or what is also known as resetting Blender's workspaces. Currently, I have opened a file with a custom workspace. In order to prevent Blender from opening this custom workspace, I will just start a new file, go to File, Open, and here on the Preferences, we can uncheck Load UI and Open. And this way, as you can see, the workspace is now my default workspace. If I want to set Blender to never open any workspace, so I don't need to come here to open and always remind myself of doing this, I can come here to Edit Preferences. On the Save and Load, you just need to uncheck Load UI. This way, Blender will never open any custom workspaces, and you don't need to do it on a file-by-file basis. Thank you for watching.